Hey guys, it's AJ. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching me and Mr. Vuitton. I am here to share with you a super quick Tory Burch unboxing slash reveal. I don't obviously have the box right here with me, but I just received this in the mail, so I thought I would go ahead and do like a true unboxing with you guys for this bag. And then I also just wanted to show you the bag that I'm using today is my Kate Spade tweed. I think this is called the Emmeline flat bag, but anyway, if I can find it, I did see it on the Kate Spade surprise site on sale, really down really low. I purchased this at the Kate Spade outlet near me, actually back in January, but I just finally am able to wear it because the weather's cooperating this weekend. So I just think this is absolutely the most gorgeous tweed. It has the double straps with the leather break, and then the interior has leather lining. It just is such a pretty bag. For a tweed bag, I think it's just absolutely gorgeous. So I'm really excited I've been able to use this weekend so far. So anyway, as I said, I'll try to find it and link it below if you're interested in a tweed bag. I love tweed, I just would never spend a lot on it because it definitely does wear a little bit more than obviously like leather or something like that, but I saw that at the outlet, like I said, back in January, and I could not pass it up because it's just too pretty. So with that being said, we will get right into the reveal. This, as I said, is from Tory Burch. So this is the envelope that my receipt came in, the packing list that came with the item, proof of purchase, so to speak. Tory Burch usually has like a orange plastic wrap around the item, but they have just tissue paper. I don't know if that's a sanitation or a cost savings issue, but it doesn't really matter. So they always wrap their items really nicely. And then they have this card, this embossed card that says, "Thank you, we hope you found exactly what you were looking for and that you love it." And then it's signed obviously by Tory Burch. So that is stuck on the item. And then you can see a peak of color there. This item, I had been looking at the style for quite a while. I'm obsessed with the Chanel Trendy CC bag, but it just definitely isn't in the budget right now because I have some other things that I need to spend my money on, home type things, like remodel type things. So with that being said, when I saw this bag, it's very reminiscent of the Trendy CC in terms of style, but obviously it's a lot more cost effective, and this particular color was on sale on the Tory Burch site, and I thought it'd be a really fun one for spring and summer. So taking down the paper, you can see it peeking out there, and it's wrapped very nicely. So we'll go ahead and open it up. I'm sure some of you probably already know what this is, but so there's the plastic. And now it's wrapped again. Oh, it's so pretty. So here it is. This is the Tory Burch Kira chevron top handle bag. And this one I chose is in the color Crazy Pink. And it absolutely is just gorgeous. It's such a pretty color. It looks like there's a couple of dents in there, but those should work out. It's coming up probably a little bit lighter right now on camera than it truly is, I would say. It's a little bit more purple, I would say, than it's coming up right now. But yeah, so this is the bag. Like I said, the reason why I loved it so much is because it is very reminiscent to me of the Coco handle because of it being a top handle. It has the compartments. Here is the tag info if you're interested in this. There. Like I said, this bag retails for $4.98, but it was on sale. I think it was like at least 40% off. It was pretty low. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the plastic off of the front turn lock. It has the double T turn lock, and the gold is almost, it's not like a bright gold, it's like a burnished, kind of a shiny gold. It's darker. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but it's really pretty. So turning that then and taking this out so that you can have a better idea of what the bag looks like in its totality. So that is just such a gorgeous color. It reminds me of like an iris or a hibiscus type color. It's definitely showing up a little bit lighter here in the viewfinder than in real life. It's a little bit more of a darker kind of fuchsia. I would say it's like a true fuchsia almost. But yeah, so that is the bag. It just is darling, I think. I'll go ahead and take this off of the handle. And so there's the handle. It's a fixed handle. It doesn't, unlike the trendy CC, it doesn't move around. I mean, it's totally fixed, you know, onto the bag, sewn onto the top of the bag. But yeah, it just is darling, I think. And there aren't many reviews of this bag on YouTube, so I'll definitely do one once I've used it a little bit. You know, I'll definitely watch for, you know, corner wear and transfer and that kind of thing, but I've owned this kind of leather in another Tory Burch bag, and I didn't really find that it was terribly like delicate, I guess I would say. So this bag is really nice because it's kind of like the Coach Cassie. It has 3 compartments there, one in the back, the main big one, and then this one here in the front. So it's just a nice kind of like everyday size. And then it does come with 2 different straps. It has a strap that goes onto the top, like the front, I guess I would say, which I don't plan on using. It's just a chain only strap. Let me see if I can get it out to show you really quickly. And that I'll probably just take off and not really use it because I feel like it'll just add weight and bulk and kind of potentially dent the bag. So let me see if I can get that. Here we go. So that is this strap here. This is supposed to go, like if the bag was closed, it should just sort of lay almost like a bracelet along the top of the bag. And I just don't really think that I'll use it at all. Honestly, I feel like it kind of just clutters it up. It should lay like this when you have it on. So it's very pretty. It'll be a nice item to have like for a wristlet, or you know, it has the little rings on there, if you can see that. But I just don't really think I'll use it on the bag, on this bag. I kind of like it just more plain. And then it has a regular shoulder strap as well. So yeah, so that is the scoop on my new Tory Burch bag. I'm really excited to have found it brand new on sale. I kind of wanted black. Obviously, that's always a great color, but the black, just, I didn't want to spend $500 on like a contemporary designer bag. It just wasn't really in the budget, and I didn't really want to go there. So I thought that this color would be gorgeous. I don't have any other bags this color, so I'm really excited to try it out, and I will definitely do a review or an update if you're interested once I've used it a little bit. So if you're interested, if it's still available on the Tory Burch site, I will link it below if you're interested in this color, since it is on sale. So there it is. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Feel free to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Be kind, stay well, and I will catch you in my next video. Take care, guys.